Hola Parania, I'm super excited because it's match day. Not just any match day, a cup final match day at the new Peter Mugaba Stadium. Well, it's another date with destiny for Orlando Pirates because we are facing Marumo Gallants. Though the question remains, does Coach Abdeslam Owadu finally have a trick or two up his sleeve to overcome a resilient Marumo Gallants that beat us 2-1 earlier on this season in the league? And we know that he's the team that he actually coached last season. All this for a trophy that we last won since 2011. Paratuch. Let's get straight to it. Let's not waste any time. This is X on OPX. Let's go mark our spot. That's it right there, Sbilly. We better not lose this one. I hope we don't lose this one. So, yeah, like I mentioned, Coach Abdeslam Owadu, 2 finals in 3 months, amazing stuff. However, we're facing a team that he last lost to in the league, and that is Marumo Gallants, the team that he coached last season. So I hope he does have a trick or two up his sleeve. So let's hear it from him. How does he plan to overcome this so-called Kilimanjaro of a mountain, if we should call it? It's not really a giant, but it can be if you're being complacent. I hope our coach does have his tactics in check. So let's hear it from him before we can actually unpack what to expect from the final itself.
It was our second game when we went to Marumo. I was not surprised about the way they played because I was coach there, and I think something that they picked up from what I have led there is the unity, the same spirit, and I felt that they still have that. It's a team that is able to run as well, and I told them the first thing that I told them when I came there, I made a fitness test, and I can tell you that the VO2 max of most of the players was very low. So we had the opportunity to work. They still kept that, and but now I am coach of Pirate, and the most important for me is to give all my competencies, my knowledge to my players and to my club, and that's it. You know, we know that it will be a tough game. It's a team that is very well organized. Compact block is very difficult to find spaces against that team, but we will make sure to try to find a solution in order to try to break this block.
So it's clear it's a team that is going to apply similar tactics that he was applying when he came through to the team, because you could tell the fitness levels of Marumo Gallants were quite low before he came through, and when he started applying, in fact, you can also tell with his mentality when he started applying fitness levels that are quite higher than they were before. When he started applying defensive tactics, they started having shape. And you hear him talk about the compact block, the low block, as you know that it's a style of play that also disables the opposition from creating spaces and those chances in order for them to attack you. So if they're going to be playing the similar style, it's what Orlando Pirates have been doing, because honestly speaking, we lost those earlier first 2 games in the league. They were still trying to understand what is Coach Abdeslam Owadu applying on the team. And now it's easy for the players like Orlando Pirates to understand what he expects of them, which is similar from Marumo Gallants. But now to put the cherry on top, the problem is that they would want to prove a point against their former coach, which is Abdeslam Owadu. So that's what it's going to cause more intensity to be witnessed in this match. So it could be a physical battle as well that we're going to find Orlando Pirates having as an uphill battle in a way against Marumo Gallants. But look, it's going to need the wingers to come in check. Tepang Moremi, also in the police, they're going to need to start the game. In front, I'm going to expect Evidence Mahopa to start the game. I'm not going to expect Yanela Mbutuma because, yes, as much as he's energetic, he does miss those couple of chances that he shouldn't. However, you find Evidence Mahopa does get in those pockets whereby Oswina Polis and Tepang Moremi can actually run in and play as a false nine while he goes out on the wing. And they also clinical in their finishing. So it's something that Orlando Pirates I'm expecting from them, from the team and the midfield as well. So looking at the squad that we actually played in that 2-1 loss against Marumo Gallants, you can see that there was no Masindi Nemdajela at all. And you have seen that in the recent games where whether he has started or he has come off the bench, we end up winning those games. So particularly the ones that he starts, he creates, that sound solidarity in the midfield, whereby you find Sipombuli can now go up front, can attack, can create chances, or whether it's Patrick Maswangani, who is our attacking midfielder, can now explore alongside the striker, whether those chances can actually be created for the team in order for us to get a goal earlier on, which I think would be crucial in this match. We need an early goal. So speaking about those formations, the starting lineups that we have used, it's either a 4-2-3-1 earlier on in other matches, or a 4-3-3, whether it's defensive or it's attacking. When we use an offensive one, you'd find that Masindi Nemdajela will be available in the match, whether a defensive one is Sihle Nduli, who's actually holding the midfield. And at the back, it's interesting stuff because we're talking a farewell for somebody else. But those are the tactics I'm hoping that Coach Abdeslam Owadu will be applying. We're going to be pressing the team on the counter. We need to be sharp as well, because Marumo Gallants knows that they'll be expecting Orlando Pirates to come out on an all-out attack formation. They're expecting us to attack them, and they'll be hoping for a counter, particularly if they can hold us to a 0-0 halftime scoreline. That's where they're going to start hoping for those chances in the second half. Later on, probably get a goal in the 75th minute going forward. That's where they will try to even play a low block and park the pass and probably have 7 players as defenders there, provided they'll be given the chance and the spaces. So that's what I'm expecting from Marumo Gallants, from them, given that it's a difficult team. They made it to the final. They didn't just make it to the final. Remember that the Cullen Black Label Knockout is a team of the top tier sides in the Betway Premiership. So every team that's there has a chance of winning the championship. It was just slightly easier that Marumo Gallants made it to the final. Orlando Pirates made it because Kaizer Chiefs and also Mamelodi Sundowns were eliminated in the first round. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting from the game at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium. Looking at the formations that are also placed out there, tell me what you think about the starting lineup. Who would you want to be in your starting lineup? I mean, it's a farewell party for Begezeli Mbogazi, and I hope that this one will be with a celebration. I wanted to make a video about him, but didn't want to mismatch the information to how many trophies he has won, because it's another final. I mean, 3 finals in 1 year, in 9 months. Talk about pregnancy. This was actually a pregnant career for Begezeli Mbogazi at Orlando Pirates, and how it is actually coming to a conclusion is amazing. So I just hope it ends with a trophy. So I think this quick preview does give us a hint, a slight idea in a way that you think that Coach Abdeslam Owadu won't be parking the bus, will be confident. The players are motivated. They want to win this one. I mean, we're out of the CAF Champions League. If we lose this one, it'll be a shame, really. And for a trophy that has eluded us since 2012, we last won it since last won it 2011, like I mentioned. So it's going to be interesting to see how we actually play out at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium. But Orlando Pirates never loses hope as well. So happy people, let's go out in our numbers at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium. Let's be everywhere. Let's support our team wherever we be. Let us be safe. But X has marked the spot.
That is the final whistle of this game. We want to say on behalf of Orlando Pirates to all our supporters, Siyabonga mabhakaniya, sizamile silwile.